is the new Range Rover Sport, it looks like. There you go, look at that. He's got some tricky stuff on the top. Got some stuff on the side. Now, has he got a four-wheel steer? Is the rear wheels going to steer? Look, the rear wheels are steering as he goes round it. So it's got a four-wheel steer on it. It's all camoed up. George, oh look at this. Well, just in the Jaguar Land Rover parts catalogue, and look, they've got the new Range Rover 2022, but they've got the 2023, and it looks the same. But you can go into the parts catalogue, but that can't be.
No.
Let's have a look. What have we got in here? They haven't. Have they put the? Is that what it looks like?
That is a new Sport.
Is that the new Sport? Have they put it out on their parts catalogue?
No way.